Good morning, everybody. Or, shoot. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Baby Crickets. It's another Saturday. We're here in Pinellas Park, and we're not far from St. Pete because we have a boat, kind of, question mark. Okay, so Tony's always looking at boat porn on Craigslist, okay? And he's always looking at boats, wishing to have one. And
you see what's out there.
He saw this ad. What was the ad, Tony?
It said something like, I'm out of town and can't come into town, and I'm looking for somebody to look after my boat in St. Pete in exchange for sailing.
Yeah, so this guy was like looking for a family to like look after his boat and like sail it. Yeah, so you remember that one time I said it's a rare rainy day in Florida? Well, the rainy days aren't so rare anymore. Right now we're gonna go look at this boat. This guy lives in Arizona, right? He lives in Arizona. His name is Max. Hi, Max. We're gonna take good care of your boat. So it's not really our boat, but we're gonna go check it out, take care of it, and in exchange for taking care of it and cleaning it and whatnot, he's gonna let us sail it. So that's awesome. We don't actually have to buy a boat, which is perfect for us.
Not yet.
Oh, not yet, Tony says. So the boat is my favorite color. It's yellow. Tony's feeling a little apprehensive because we had that that mishap with that other free boat. It was not the best situation, but I'm feeling pretty optimistic. I mean, if it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out, and we'll find something else. So, but I am excited. I can't wait to see what the boat looks like. Can't wait to get my hands dirty and then clean up the boat. So our plan is to go look at the boat, see what kind of condition it's in, see what needs to be cleaned, what kind of cleaning products we need. Do we need sponges? Do we need bristle brushes? All that good stuff. And then we're gonna go out and get the stuff that we need and then come back and get some work done. Thank goodness it is a rainy day. It's like overcast right now. It's not really raining right now, but hey, this is Florida, so it's gonna rain eventually today. But I'm thankful because if it was sunny, it would be a very brutal day. So
Brutal enough with the overcast.
yeah, I mean it's still hot. I don't know what temperature it is right now, but yeah, that's our plan. Let's go check it out. Let's go. Let's get 'em. Let's get up and at 'em. Let's drink our coffee, get energized. Genki-desu. Okay, so we're at the marina where the boat is, and it's a beautiful location. I just want to show you guys really quick all the boats in the background here. There's all the sailboats behind me. There's a bunch of sailboats. There's all the boats. It's great. And it's raining, so
It is.
yeah, at least we'll stay cool. Okay, so we got the boat over there, the office over there, and this is where all of the boats go. Explore the day. You guys, it's gonna be a rainy day. But you know what? Let me get this off your face here. Let me get this for you real quick. Just gonna do one of these real quick. Okay, it's a rainy day, but we're gonna make the most of it. We have construction over here. This would be the most convenient place to park. but because there's construction, we gotta kind of park far away, and then we have to walk all the way to our boat. So we're gonna do that right now. Ikimashou. So we found a parking space on the other side. We got a long way to walk, and it's pouring rain. So yeah, we're definitely gonna stay cool in this weather. I'm not worried about getting too hot. So that's good. But yeah, we are wondering if it's gonna let up a bit so we can take a nice a nice walk over to the boat. Should we just go, Tony?
No.
Should we just risk it for the biscuit?
No.
We decided to risk it for the biscuit and head on over to the boat, even though it's raining, but it's going to be raining for a while.
Pouring.
Like the old man is snoring, kind of pouring. We're on the way, walking towards our boat. I guess it'll be the yellow one. I brought an umbrella with me, but I feel like I'm just delaying the inevitable. I'm going to get soaked today. But I wanted to keep the camera dry. But let's see, which one's the yellow one? Here it is. You know what? That's not bad at all. It's not bad at all.
You don't think so?
No. Oh no.
Just,
Oh no.
you gotta commit to it. You gotta want it.
Okay. Did it. The boat is yellow. My favorite color. It's a little dirty. Definitely not as dirty as the other one that we had before. Tony's looking at the inside right now. I'm gonna try and make my way over. Currently have no hands to hold on to anything. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. So the boat needs a good cleaning. There's a very interesting basement smell that I'm smelling. I like basement smells.
Do you?
I do like basement smells.
You're weird.
Ooh, this black stuff down here is squishy, and check out this. Oh, this is the motor he was talking about.
Yeah. Not much water in it.
Yeah, definitely not
Not
what we
bad.
saw before.
Yeah. It's up to the floorboards.
And it's got windows. Yay!
I think it's
Coolers in there, some dry boxes.
definitely small. It smells a little moldy.
Yeah.
Stand a little bit of moldy
Ooh,
smell.
some goggles.
Yep.
So I think we'll need a pump to pump all this water out. Some bleach. Some bristle brushes. Bleach. He said that there's a bunch of stuff in here that we can just throw out, but I'm not sure. I really want to do that. This is very interesting. Can't wait to see what's up there.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Okay, so Tony thinks we need a dry day in order to take all this stuff out, in order to power wash it. I got a little bit of mold on my face, nice. Tony thinks we need a dry day to take all this stuff out, to power wash it, give it a good nice wash, but I don't think that's gonna happen today. So probably the next time we come, we'll bring a power washer and what's the other thing you wanted to bring?
Pump to get the water out.
And a pump to get the water out. So we'll bring that next time, hopefully on a dry day. But man, I don't know. Sunny day out here, like I'm already sweating. I'm sweating.
Yeah.
And it's raining. It is hot. Okay. So I think even if we have to leave this boat how it is today, I think I'm pretty happy about the progress that I've made so far. It's definitely not as moldy as it was. Hold on, can you see it?
Cleaned all the river slime off the bottom.
Yeah, I got all the slime off the bottom, so at least we can feel confident about walking on non-slippery floors when we clean all this stuff out. So I'm pretty happy with the progress we made so far. There's definitely still a lot that needs to be done, but I think we should have this place cleaned up in like no time, so I'm happy.
I think you did a great job.
Thank you.
I checked the dock lines and some of the rigging and the tow rails. We're gonna have to do some cleaning on the outside here because the tow rail drains aren't running. We've got water all over this is the tow rail over here. And there's little holes in there for drains.
The tow rail.
There's little drains in there. They're all stopped up with slime. So that all needs to be power washed and probably power washed through and try and blow them through.
Yeah.
And
Oh, look at that.
what?
Sleep. Well, there's definitely going to be many parts to this cleaning the boat, but definitely a happy surprise, right?
Yeah.
It's a happy surprise. I'm excited. I can't wait to get this all in working order here. Yeah, so stick around for the journey. We have more episodes coming out. If you like this video, leave it a like and comment and subscribe if you want to do. Bye everybody. Bye. See you next time.
Bye.
See you next week. Bye.